Networking, when you come to my networking events, that is really practice. Like, I don't think anyone in my networking group is going to call you up and say, I want you to come sell my house, Jenny, especially when Derek and I are the realtors in my group. If somebody does, I'm totally cool with it. If somebody met you at one of my networking events, but highly unlikely that that would happen. You're not there necessarily to get business, although I'd be totally fine. You might meet somebody that's not in my group that you can connect with, which is totally fine too. And it's good practice. The only way you get good at networking is to practice. She sits at the bar, has her little bottle of Prosecco next to her, and
I'm
she,
guilty. I was
yeah,
chatting with her.
she just, last networking event, you had fun with her, right? She's a lot of fun to be around anyway. She's a good
Yes, she is.
conversationalist. But if you're there to network, you can't sit with one person. Me, I bounce around and there's not a single person. My wife turns to me and she goes, are we ready to go soon? I go, hang on. I didn't talk to that guy and I talked to that lady right there. As soon as I'm done, I'll let you know and then we can leave. I make sure I talk to every single person in the room.